Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Shashi Tharoor, Member of Parliament, Dr. Rajan Varghese, Secretary, Marthoma Church Educational Society, Mr. Matthew George, Treasurer, Marthoma Church Education Society, Executive Committee members, Reverend Philemon Koshi, our chaplain, parents, and dear students. Welcome to our 55th Annual Day celebrations. I would like to thank you all for responding to our invitation and gracing this occasion with your virtual presence. Before I proceed to the annual report, on behalf of the teachers and students of STRS, I pay homage to the memory of the late His Grace the Most Reverend Dr. Joseph Marthoma Metropolitan, who left us unexpectedly on October 18, 2020. It is an irreplaceable loss for St. Thomas family. His Grace will be remembered for his ideals, compassion, and contribution to the society. The global impact of COVID-19 is immense, as educational institutions from international universities to schools are closed. It has thrown education all over the world in a loop. Schools are shut and students are stranded at home with limited contact with friends and no physical activity. Let us hope that the COVID-19 pandemic will recede soon and life return to normal. Academic excellence. In response to COVID scare, we have moved to online teaching platform from March. Our teachers were extraordinary in rapidly and successfully adapting, facilitating, and delivering online academic program from pre-primary to class 12th. Though there are plenty of fantastic resources, they are not a substitute for school teaching, which provide multidisciplinary skills of learning, understanding, mental and emotional health. Though the results for ICSE and ISC board examinations were published on July 10, 2020, unlike previous years, the Council has not released the list of toppers. At the ICSE stream, Siddharth Stephen secured the first rank with 97.75%. Sarangi Shyam secured the second rank with 97.5%, and Amal Govind S. Pranav A. Nair and Mansi Manoj shared the third rank with 97.25% at the school level. In the commerce stream, the first rank was secured by Rohan K. George with 94.5%. Aditya Saradi secured the second rank with 93.25%, and Malvika Krishnan G secured the third position with 92%. At the ICSE, Lakshmi G. S. bagged the first rank with 98.8%, Leah Rachel Matthew the second rank with 98.4%, and Nandana D. third rank with 98.2% at the school level. Out of the 131 students presented by us at the ICSE 2020 Science stream, 120 students secured distinction. ICSE Commerce stream, 40 students were presented for the examination, of which 27 were awarded distinction. Out of 206 students who were presented for the ICSE examination, 201 students were awarded distinction. Inspire Scholarship. Out of the 131 candidates who appeared for the ISC 2020 board examination, the students of STRS are placed in the top 1% by marks at the national level and are eligible for the prestigious Inspire Scholarship, a scholarship instituted by the Government of India, which entitles them to a sum of Rs 80,000 per year for 5 years, provided they pursue a course in pure science at the graduation level. We are proud of you, Siddharth Stephen, Sarangi Shyam, Pranav A. Nair, and Manasi Manoj. Admission to universities. Success is not accidental. It is the result of passion, goals, and hard work. After intensive preparation, many of our students have excelled and gained admission to prestigious institutions like IITs, IISERs, government medical and engineering colleges, reputable private college and deemed universities like St. Stephen's, Ashoka University, Symbiosis, AIMS, etc. Award received by the school. We are delighted and proud to announce that in the top co-ed boarding schools category, STRS has been ranked first at the state level and 13th at the national level by Education World. Excellent leadership of a team of wonderful, dedicated teachers is the key to our continued success. School celebration. During these difficult times, we are staying close to our students, helping them develop, implement their own creativity. We have conducted Onam program, Children's Day, Kerala Piravi, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, and Christmas. Through YouTube channel, students get to know various customs, and these celebrations also inculcate love and respect for all religions. Spiritual education. Every year, MDCES conduct a scripture contest for Christian and non-Christian category. 46 students participated in this contest. Reuben Samuel John and Benita Mariam John were selected in the Christian category, and Siddharth Kumar Gopal was selected in the non-Christian category. Child welfare. Cyber security is of increasing importance due to the rise in reliance on digital devices for learning. This digital world provides many conveniences, but it also poses new risks that often go unknown or unnoticed. Keeping this in mind, on a regular basis, we have arranged cyber awareness classes and motivational classes. Mr. Banerjee Bhaskar of Model Finishing School addressed the students on August 19, 2020 to boost their morale and to reduce the mental stress. At a time when English language skills are becoming more valued, it is vital to empower children at a young age with the right skill sets. Our newly introduced program, the Cambridge English Assessment, focuses on the development of reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills. It also gives exposure to foreign accents, which they would otherwise not be familiar with. I am extremely happy to inform you that we have received a grant in aid of rupees 12 lakh from the Government of India to set up Atal Tinkering Lab. ATL would teach students essential 21st century skills which will help them in developing their professional and personal skills for innovation. It will not only help our students to learn real-life applications, but also provide the ideal ambience and tools for practically experiencing the theories they learned in the classroom. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to a damaging loss of human life worldwide. Millions of enterprises face an existential threat, and tens of millions of people are at risk of falling into extreme poverty. I would like to remind you that only together we can overcome the intertwined health, social, and economic impacts of the pandemic. Remember, no matter what you are going through, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. We cannot change the direction of the wind, but we can adjust our sails to always reach our destination. So keep moving. We acknowledge with gratitude our parents who took the enormous responsibility and challenges that remote learning has placed on them, as they had to create time, space, routine, and support for learning at home. In a year like no other, I sincerely thank our staff and students who have engaged in all manner of activities, both during and after shutdown period, to keep our school spirit alive and well. With a deep sense of humility and gratitude, I would like to express my heartfelt thankfulness to our patron, His Grace, the Most Reverend Dr. Theodosius Marthoma Metropolitan, our President, Right Reverend Joseph Mar Barnabas Episcopa, for their invaluable support and guidance. Our sincere thanks to our Secretary, Dr. Rajan Varghese, Treasurer, Mr. Matthew George, and all members of the Executive Committee. Your support truly energizes us, ensures our future success, and also allow us to prepare a large number of students for enriched lives for the society. I do acknowledge with gratitude the cooperation and spiritual guidance received from our chaplain, Reverend Philomen Koshi. Let us thank the Almighty for giving us the courage and strength to overcome the difficulties and for protecting us in His mighty arms. Thank you very much.